Behind me is our 2022 Pearlescent wrapped Ford Transit Custom Genuine Sport, done just under 18,000 miles and coming in at just over £25,000, no VAT. Obviously, as it's a sport, we've got our alloys and Yokohama tyres and then one Goodyear tyre. We have Pearlescent wrapped all across the vehicle and also some nice ply lining, treated and painted for your pleasure, as well as lights in the roof which look fantastic and come on as you open the door. Reverse camera as well. And as it's a genuine sport, you've got your true leather inside, as well as your complete infotainment system, as well as CarPlay. All of your nice extra trims on the doors as well. You've got your nice adaptive seat controls as well, auto lights, just telling me the driver door's open. There we go, you've got your cruise control, you have traction modes and parking sensors on and off, heated seats and screen, fantastic. Extra settings through here for your phone and your audio. Obviously CarPlay nowadays taking over everything, and also Android Auto. And USB controls you can plug in for there for CarPlay or here for CarPlay. Either way works. And also again, your sport upgrade to the door cards. But overall, fantastic vehicle with that extra unique touch for standing out on the road, standing out in front of clients and businesses. If you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call with the number on screen or visit our website anchorvans.co.uk, and you can see 350 plus vehicles just like this one ready to go, same day delivery. Give us a call, we can help you out.